Today I'm going to show you how much I made on my most paid video on YouTube. Now, looking at my dashboard, this is filtered by views. You would think it would be this video, right? The one that I've had the top views, which is 248,000, almost 250,000 views, but it's actually not. It's actually this video of why I stopped following Dave Ramsey of 235,000 views. So if I go here to analytics, we are going to be able to see since published, I have a CPM of 2706 and RPM of 1824, and total I have made $4,293, which is just crazy to think about that I've made $4,000 from this video that is only 9 minutes long. Estimated average revenue is $4,250. $43 is from YouTube Premium. Ad types, top is skippable, then bumper ads, display ads. Now, I do want to show you guys something that I think is really interesting, and I'm going to explain to you why I've made more from this video and not this video. So we're going to go to my analytics, and then go to the revenue tab, and top earning videos. Now let's filter to lifetime. All right, so here we see the top paid is 4,000 views. That top video that you guys saw, the How to Use Fetch Rewards app, is actually, this is the top video here, the one that has the most views. I've only made $1,600, which is crazy. $1,600 versus $4,200. Now, why is that? So let's look over here at this column of the playback CPM. So the CPM for my Dave Ramsey video is $27. Whereas my CPM for the Fetch Rewards video is only $8.19. I think a big part of that is the length of the video. This is a 9-minute video and this is like a 2-minute video. So therefore more ads will be played on this one. But that is why CPM is so important when you're looking at your ads and how much you're going to be making on YouTube versus the total views. Some people will look at YouTube channels that have millions of views and think that they're bringing in all this money, but if they have a low paying CPM, they're not going to make much money. So just something to keep in mind. So that is how much I made on my top YouTube video.